Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I would like to do a short unboxing and presentation of this Airpods 2 product from Apple. As you can see, they are brand new. The box is sealed. I paid for them around 130 euro in my country, and basically this is how the box looks like. Let me take the plastic cover off. This is the box. It's white. Here we have some details about the product. As you can see, they are made in Vietnam. And here on the back of the box we have a picture with the case. And let's jump inside the box to see what we can find in here. So this is how it looks, designed by Apple in California. Here we have some user manuals, I think. Yeah, it teaches you how to pair, how to connect to your phone. And here we have some other manuals. I'll put them aside. This is the case. Okay, and let me see what else we have inside the box. And we have a lightning cable, but no charger. So you need to use your charger from your iPhone or other phone, because all you can get is your cable. Of course, you can use the cable on any USB port. So if you don't have a charger, you can plug this USB port to your computer or laptop, and you can charge your AirPods 2. This is how the box and the case of the AirPods looks like. It's really small, and the material is premium. It's a glossy white plastic. This is a small button here. It's the pairing button, so you need to press this when you pair the AirPods 2 with your new smartphone. And this is how they look like. We have a small LED here, which indicates the charging level or the state of the AirPods. Right now, because it's blinking, it's on pairing mode. So if I bring in my phone right now, I'll be able to pair them with my Bluetooth on my phone. Let's take them out. So as you can see, the design, it's very similar to the first generation of AirPods. To me, they look a little bit lighter, but the design is the same. And here inside the case, yeah, is exactly the same. In fact, I will just put them near my first generation of AirPods. So this is AirPods 1, this is AirPods 2. As you can see, the case is identical, everything is identical. Let's take some headphones out. So also in terms of design, you see they are identical. So basically it's the same size, the same color, the same product. Okay, I will take my phone and I will try to pair them to see the quality of the audio. Now I have my phone with me. As you can see, I open the Bluetooth menu. You need to have your AirPods case open, and you need to see this LED blinking in white. That means that right now you are on pairing mode. So what you need to do is to select AirPods, click on pair, and now the AirPods are connected for calls and audio, and you can listen to something on Bluetooth. Let's take them out and let's see the quality. Okay, I will open YouTube and let's listen. Yeah, the quality of the sound, it's like on the AirPods 1, very good sound. You know, they have good bass. The volume, maximum volume is very, very good. I'm really curious to see what is the battery performance of this new AirPods, because to be honest with you, I changed the AirPods 1 because after 3 years of use, the battery is not lasting anymore. I can use them for 1 hour, but I remember that when they were new, I could listen music and I could do phones for at least 2 or 3 hours. So I really hope that this new AirPods 2 will have at least the same battery life as the AirPods 1 when they were new. So guys, this is my unboxing. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching.